What's up guys, your boy Anzaldo here with another video. Today's video will be about the secret code. Learning your fans or your audience, your customers' secret code. So what is the secret code? Secret code is what you need to get success. If you understand the secret code, you will be successful. First of all, you need to establish who your ideal customer or fan is. A, what do they like? B, what are their hobbies? C, what are they into? Besides your music, what are they into? You have to think about these things so you can reverse engineer who they truly are. What do they like? What are their hobbies? And what are they into? Number 2, learn to speak your fans' language. So tap into their minds. You gotta know how they think and why they buy what they buy. Number 3, interact with them on social media. You have to reply to their comments, start conversations, and go on Instagram Live, Facebook Live, go live on Twitter, go live wherever they are and have a real life interaction with them. Let them ask you questions, do Q&As, do all that good stuff. Just build that connection with them. Whether that be your customers, whether that be your fan, whatever the point is, at the end of the day, if they're buying from you, if you want to earn their business, you got to do these things. So basically, this is the secret code right here. Really simple steps to follow. But if you follow these simple steps, aka secret code, you will have success in business.